This is a full-size mock-up of the Honda Elite Jet. This very futuristic-looking van is the Honda Cruise Origin, and it's jointly being developed with GM. It's an autonomous transit vehicle, and those bulky boxes you see on the corners are the camera sensors to ensure safe delivery to your destination. The Honda Prelude Concept EV. This looks like it's about ready to roll off the lot. A really nice-looking model. This is the coolest display